So I don't feel like cooking tonight, so let's go down to the food park to see what they have cooking tonight over there, and we'll see if you know, I get something to eat. Let's go. Food park over here. Let's see here. Hello. Kumusta?
How much is it?
Isa. Oh, pila.
290. 290.
290.
Yes.
Sige, sige. Yung isa lang. Yan lang. Oh, hindi na. Oh, maayo. All right, so I instead went to the main street and got some lechon manok, or in English, roasted chicken, and make a few meals out of that. But yeah, simple life, you know. The lechon manok is $2.90 at that place, and that's about $6, but for one chicken. But it'll, like I said, it'll be a few meals for me. So until next time, thank you guys for joining me. Kaon na! Amping!